everyone, so today we're going to be doing some salt dough ornaments for all of our guests tomorrow. We're having like a grandparents' Christmas. Basically our parents are divorced, and so there's like lots of different Christmases to go to, right? You have the Christmas of the parent, and then the new partner, and then the other parent and their new partner. They might have two different Christmases as well. So after like 8 really crazy Christmases, once we had Becca, we decided we needed to slow down on things. So we just have like all the grandparents at one Christmas thing. I want them all to have something from the grandkids. So we're gonna do some salt dough ornaments, and basically I'm going to like fire them, like cook them, and paint the base coat before everybody comes, and then they'll all get to decorate their personal ornament with the kids. So I don't know, I think that would be a cute little activity. It's some like one-on-one time and something for the kids to do while me and Alex are like getting everything ready. Okay, so all you need for this recipe is flour, salt, and water. So it's 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and then 3/4 to a cup of water. So basically 2 to 1 to 1.
And flour?
Okay, 1. And 2. I guess I can't get this lid off. I'm gonna have to like do it this way. I'm gonna be here for like the next 5 years putting this salt in. Okay, in case you were like, so like honestly this is like the craziest. Trying to do anything with the 2 kids is like, oh, in theory, oh my god, it would be so fun to do that. And then I get to it and I'm like, I am like so overstimulated, but like we're living. And now here I am. And now here I am literally shaking salt. A cup of salt. Okay, close enough. That is a lot of salt. I think I did salt dough ornaments in school, but like I was always like, I wish I did this at home. So I'm trying to do something special for the kids. And then like it's also teaching them giving, right? Like the ornaments we're going to be decorating and giving away as a nice present. Teaching them handmade gifts if they can't afford to buy people gifts, all of these things. There's like a lot of like principles of Christmas that like I'm just not fond of. Like really it is like just an excuse to like consume. It's all consumerism. You buy the lights, you buy the Christmas tree, you buy all of these things, and then you also have to buy gifts. And then people feel guilty if they don't buy gifts. And so we're trying to like really make it more about family for the kids. I also don't want Santa to be the center of the holiday, just because there's a lot of like bad, like, oh, if you're a bad kid you don't get any presents, and it has like no, it's literally just threatening kids to be good all year. And like as a kid it's very black and white. I remember all year being like, oh my god, I did this thing, I hope Santa still thinks I'm good, which is just very like, I don't like it. And I don't like lying to my kids either. But what we're trying to do is not make that the center. Trying to take the weight off of that and like put it onto other things, like making handmade ornaments for your family. So I'll be real, I'm scared about this water part because I don't want to mess the dough up at all. Okay, let's just start with that and see where it takes us. You want to help? Yeah, we're just squeezing it all together, making sure all of it is getting the water. I need a bit more water.
I mix it. I mix it too.
Okay, I'm gonna say it. You should start with a cup of water and then add more, because you need more than 1 cup for sure. Like the salt has just absorbed everything. It's hard to knead dough. Basically, you pull the edge up, fold it, and knead that way. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have something to roll out the dough. We just need to find something cylindrical
Hi, Mommy.
that I can put over.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. Just put it right on the counter. Spread it out. I did clean the whole counter first, just so everybody is aware. Before I started anything, I wiped everything down. Oh, salto.
Coco.
I need something cylindrical. And we're gonna roll it out. You wanna try, buddy?
What?
We push and we roll.
We always have bus. We always have bus. We always have bus. We always have bus.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through town.
We always have bus.
Okay, for someone who doesn't have a rolling pin, like that's pretty good. Let's aim for 10.
It's a 10.
Okay, that's a good size. One thing I would like is a handprint from each of you. Just for Mommy to put on the tree. Do you think we could do that? Pieces.
Pieces.
Got 10 ornaments. Hoping that's enough. Okay, those are looking pretty cute. Alright, let's get them on a baking sheet. Oh, great. I don't think these are gonna come. How do people do this? Grandpa for this one?
Yes. Grandpa loves cow.
Grandpa loves cows. What I need you to do is put your hand right up here.
Okay.
Just like this. Open your fingers like a high five. And push it into the dough. Okay, Mommy will help. Don't move it just yet. I know. Push. Push. Push each finger. Push each finger. Push thumb. Push the palm. And then out. Beautiful hand. Keepsake. Now, Valerie, let's see if we can get this the first go. Okay, yeah, Valerie's turn. You know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers and a palm. And okay, we did it somehow.
How about
We
Mommy?
did it!
How about Mommy?
Yay!
Get around the hand.
Excuse me.
Okay,
Okay.
that's Mommy.
This will be right here. The salto is so disgusting. I have to taste it. But it's literally just like eating salt. There we go. In the oven at 250 for 2 to 3 hours. I was wrong about the 350. It's 250, and you kind of slow bake them for 2 to 3 hours. So we'll check on them in 2 hours, see what they're looking like. Literally, like, this is my life always. Put your hand on this one? No, on this one, like Mommy's doing. So put your finger right where that hole is. Okay, and now paint. So it's all in one place, yeah. Very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video about salto ornaments. I'm posting this so late because I actually got really sick like on Christmas Day. I still have like a cough and stuff like that, but anyways, In case you were wondering, the grandparents didn't care about it at all. So, ta-da, I guess. You seal it with Mod Podge, and then I got like this really nice gold ribbon to like hang them. Yeah, nobody cared. Half of them didn't take their ornaments. Half of them didn't want to decorate them. Lots of stuff was going on. Yeah, it was a terrible idea. Merry Christmas.